My name's Dave Court. I feel like making stuff is what I've always been interested in. This led me to studying visual arts, specialising in painting at university. You can apply creative thinking to anything, I reckon. I've done a lot of different stuff through my career. I've started a clothing label, designing and screen printing all my own stuff. This kind of turned into a retail store where I would sell my own clothes as well as things made by other independent artists and makers. And this was also a kind of event and gallery space. Around the same time, I worked with some friends on a free street press magazine focusing on art, music and culture. Since these things, I've been working as an independent full-time freelance artist. And it's all just kind of happened. I never really planned anything specific. For me, I had a vague idea of what I wanted to do. And it's kind of been about saying yes to things that are interesting to me or feel like they'll lead me in the right direction. All of the skill set that I have now is from the time spent doing things and learning from people around me. Just like any other skill, it's about drive and just committing. I think I'd say I'm most proud of my recent house party exhibition. This was my first solo show in 10 years. It showcased everything that I have been doing and that I want to do. Painting, sculpture, video, AR, VR, projection mapping, NFTs, animation, all of this kind of like rolled up into one body of work. Part of what drives me is trying to push whatever it is to the limit, painting the biggest walls I can, screen printing the most detailed layers, creating the most intricate oil painting. It's about pushing things to the limit, finding the edges of where I'm comfortable going and what I'm capable of. I feel like I'm at the very beginning of this kind of process with teaching myself some of these digital art tools like Blender and Touch Designer in the last couple of years. It's good to have this same kind of approach in what I use to create my work. The Asus VivoBook Pro has a virtual dial pad where it's easy to set and switch tools, so you can easily swap between things and stay in a workflow zone. I like that they've pushed the boundaries and thought about things at that level. I like having a new toy and seeing what it can do, finding the limits of it. I think that's what creativity is for me, experimentation and iteration. Trying new things without preconceived ideas of what something should be or is going to be. It's about freedom and trying to do something bigger and better or just different.